Now it's time for Bonnie's Buzz About Town, a weekly glimpse at the Palm Beach social scene with West Palm's own Bonnie Roseman. Now here's Bonnie.
As usual, there's so much happening in Palm Beach County this week, I don't know where to begin. Art Palm Beach at the Convention Center, Thursday through Sunday, dedicated to emerging artists and masterworks of contemporary art. Check the paper for times. The South Florida Fair is going on, one of the largest Ferris wheels in the country. Fun for the whole family. A special event at the Palm Beach Zoo, January 18th, Thursday, 6 to 8. Emmy award-winning documentary cameraman Tom Fitz will be discussing the challenges of photographing wild animals at the zoo. It is part of the Conservation Leadership Lecture Series. Contact the Palm Beach Zoo for further information. Another great family outing is to go to the Palm Beach Veg Fest at the Meisner Amphitheater. Favorite vegan treats of all kinds and other exotic items and yoga items, all for sale and demonstration. From 10 to 6 on Saturday, it's free. Go to pbvegfest.com for further information. An amazing tribute to Jerome Robbins, his centennial celebration at the Kravis Center, Miami City Ballet performs West Side Story Suite. Contact miamicityballet.org for further information. My favorites, Will and Anthony Nunziata, are now back in town, January 18th to the 20th at the Colony Hotel's Royal Room. Contact the hotel for further information. A wonderful show. Double trouble, double the talent. Movie pick of the week is Molly's Game. And charity pick of the week is the Hanley Foundation's Big Gala event on January 18th. Contact hanleyfoundation.org/Palm Beach Dinner. So whether you're going to a charity gala or simply going to the zoo with the family, remember it's all about style. If you need help with your wardrobe needs this season here in Palm Beach, call Bonnie Roseman at 917-209-0516 or check out my website, bonnieroseman.com. Feel good, but look even better.